Buyer-Built is a two-step distributor, and what that is, we sell to the end user through a retailer, such as a lumber dealer, such as a second party that we do not sell direct to contractors. The product lines we carry are exterior door products, interior door products, stair parts, millwork of all kinds that goes around the windows, around the baseboard of the house. We have hundreds of door styles in our inventory and in stock, which gives us thousands of options when you think of all the different moldings and jambs and trim that you can put around those door styles. There are a lot of different panel configurations in these doors, and if there isn't one in our inventory that suits your flavor, we can order any type of door you would like. If you can draw it, we can have it made. The system that we build and the acclimated entry system is comprised of that door blank plus components that go around it that allow it to open and close and seal properly. We developed our own trade name for this door system because we felt that the system itself and the components around the door were as important, if not more important, than the slab itself. Most of the major slab producers out there put all their emphasis on the door slab and lesser emphasis on the components around it. Since we live in a harsher climate than most of the rest of the country, we felt that the components around it were very important in providing a sound and weather-tight seal to the environment. We are providing a solution rather than a piece of the product that they're putting into the building. There is value to it. They know we're going to be there, and if someone is interested only in the lowest price, then he's come to the wrong place. By pre-finishing in our state-of-the-art facility, we can do a much better job of preparing the door. By pre-finishing, we mean staining and sealing the products, the trim products that go into your home before they get delivered to your job site. This eliminates, of course, you having to either do it on site, have someone else come and do it on site, or ship that product off to someone else, thereby having more handling involved and the risk of damage to your product before it gets installed. Our products are sold through 850 dealers in primarily an 8-state region centered around Minnesota. Minnesota is fully covered by our service area. We have a good share of Wisconsin, most of Iowa, all of Nebraska, all of South Dakota, a little bit of Wyoming, a little bit of Montana, and the border states of North Dakota. Buyer-Built employees, as you know, here in Belgrade, we're a small town. Currently, we employ about 250 employees. We've managed as a family company to gain quite a lot of trust and confidence in the lumber dealers and the customers that we serve. All of our people respond and act as a team, almost like family. They take pride in what they do. They take pride in putting out the best product they can for their customers.